Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray, and we're back at it again. We're going to get some pours done today, so I'm going to get my furnace turned on here. We're going to get some silver put in, and we're going to get rocking and rolling with it. Right there, I have a couple of items that I picked up. I'm going to try to get made, and hopefully they turn out pretty sweet. I'm going to get some of this all done so you guys can also see it too. I think I'm going to pull that off. There we go, because I'm going to use that later. I have to use a screwdriver or something to pry this open. Got a little connection for the chain here. I'm going to get it all casted in silver instead. I'll put some links on it. All right, so I got about 3-4 items here I'm going to try. One of them I'm going to try with some sterling and see how that turns out, and we'll see you when everything gets heated up. See you in a moment. All right, first things first, we've got to get our molds made. So I'm going to get some of that moved out of the way. Bring some of the clay up here. Go. That side is done. All right, so I got a little compass thing here that I'm going to try out, see how it turns out. Compass medallion there. All right, get all that pressed down in there nice and tight. Then we're going to cut our vents in our channel for the flask here. I'll put this out of the way. There we go. That took off right off the table. That's okay. Not going to hurt anything. All right, let's get this set. Good. Then I'm just going to put some vent lines in. Got some breathe lines, let some of the hot gases escape there. All right. Let me grab some clamps here so we can get this all clamped up. And that will make number 1 is ready for us. There we go. Number 1 is ready. Now let's get to our other one here. Let me grab another flask. Sorry for the background noise. Sounds like you're mowing. Yeah, you got a mower going back there. Actually, I got that one backwards. No, I had it right. For our next item, I'm going to do a zebra here. Get it all powdered up. Get this powdered up. See, where do I want my vent to go? Probably about like that. It's one of the things about pouring metal is figuring out where the best place for the metal to flow. You have to think about all those things too. Oh, just jack that up. Start over. Man, did I jack that up. Touched it and it popped it out. Anytime that happens, it's almost just better just to start over and not worry about it. There we go. That doesn't want to seat in there. Got some old dirt down in there I need to clean out. Doesn't want to seat all the way down in there because I got too much in there. I'm just going to drill it out. There we go. All right. Now that'll seat. Perfect. All right. Right now our temp has got a long way to go before it gets up to melting temp. So I'm just getting all these pre-made so it makes it easy to get poured. I got my furnace back from being fixed. my tabletop, but I haven't taken it out of the box yet. I have my other electric one here that I've been using. All right, clear away here. There we go. Got that. All right, so that one's all set. There we go. All right, we got 2 of the 4 ready. Dropping stuff again. All right, so as soon as it gets up to temp, I'll bring you back. We'll get that poured, and then we'll see how these turned out. All right, see you guys in a moment. All right, looks like we're up to temp now. So we're gonna get this thing poured. Let me get the camera flipped around, and we'll take a look. All right, let's get this poured. Let me get my gloves on here. All right, let's try that again without knocking the camera down. All right, here we go. Letting that cool off there for a moment. I went with the larger one first. All right, let's set this off to the side now. Let's get some more stuff. Well, guys, finished up those projects that I had going on, so I'm going to turn you around and show them to you. Let's see what you guys think. Hold on. Alrighty, we got our box right here. This is the surprise one that I'm going to do. You guys saw these being poured, so I'm going to take these out and show those to you real quick. So this is the Zebra. We got it all stamped up right there. And there we go, the Zebra. And it weighs... Let's see here. I think it's 1.8. Yep, 1.8 troy ounces for the Zebra. And then the other one here is the Compass. And that one is 29 grams. So we've got that one all complete. 29 grams, all stamped up. That one didn't want to stamp as easy as the Zebra did because it's a little thinner. But it is done. Now, for the best part. Raise that up a little bit. There, you guys can see it. Are you ready? And there we go, guys. This is a Harry Potter wand. It's not Harry Potter's, it's his Nemesis. And it weighs right at 10 ounces. And I did add a little stone up there for it, just for some decoration. Yep, but it came out just beautiful. So there we go. That is the awesome one. Wanted to share with you guys. If you guys are going to Tulsa this coming weekend, you guys will see it there anyway. So, all right, guys, hope you liked this video. We're going to head over to the next guy, and we'll see you next time.